how to enable voice translate on Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable voice translation on Instagram Reels. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the plus icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside this section, you can simply select the video that you want to post. And now here, once you have selected that video, you can just tap on next. And now here on the next section, if you scroll down and there you'll see more options. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as Translate Reel. So simply toggle on that option. And now here, once you have toggled on that option, you can simply go back and tap on next, and you can just tap on share to share your post with the enabled voice translation. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.